Alam nila, ipakita yung mga burner account. If you're so brave and you're so tough, but, ano, kasi,
Wait, wait.
alam mo
Oh,
ba,
oh, sige, sige. Sabi mo muna yan.
kasi mo alam, because making death threats is a crime. Hindi
Yeah.
nila alam yun. Hindi nila, pag matitrace yan, sa kampo nila ni Keeper Alas, matitrace ng Ateneo, sino yan? Bilanggo yung lahat na nade-death threats dyan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But, you
So,
know,
dapat,
what I do not understand. I understand kung bakit nagagalit ang Hinebra fan sa'yo. Pero I don't understand bakit nagagalit ng tao kay Kiefer or the death threat. Oh,
ito yung,
can you please liwanagan mo nga ako? Hindi ko kasi naiintindihan. Mukhang harmless pa naman yung mukha ni Kiefer Alas nung ini-interview. Ano ang dahilan bakit i-death threat mo? Pwede mong i-hate, pwede mong i-bash, pero death threat, that's on a different level.
ito yung theory pa, okay? Yung si Keeper Alas, allegedly, was
Mhm.
heavily recruited by Lasal. Gusto nilang maglaro sa Lasal yan.
Mhm.
Magaling yan si Keeper Alas.
Okay.
So, hindi sila nagkasundo dahil si Keeper daw gustong pumunta ng US. Which happened naman. Nagpunta naman talaga sa US and went to school at Utah Prep.
Correct.
Pero nang bumalik, doon sa Ateneo naglaro. So, yung mga fans
Okay.
ng Lasal, medyo nagtampo. So, yun daw ang theory. Kasi I can't
Ang
see any...
babaw naman yan.
Wow, Bob, don't say it, Pao, because don't say babaw, Pao. You know why? The passion of the UAAP fans, Pao. 10 times pa yan sa mga fans ng
Wait,
PBA.
wait, 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 wait. No, no. Mababaw talaga para sa akin. I know their passion, pero to merit a death threat, I
I
would
know.
say bash him, bash him, bash him. No problem. But a
Yes.
death threat? Come
Oo.
on. It has to be
Not
more
all...
than that.
It is, Pao. There's no other reason, rhyme or reason. Hindi lang death threat, Pao. Multiple death threats. Saka alam mo,
Come
Pao.
on.
Alam mo, I was shown one of the death threats. I was shown 5 of the death threats. Alam mo ba,
I
Pao?
have to see it. I have to see it. I
Alam
mean,
mo,
come on.
alam mo ba, Pao? Ang
Mm.
death threats, galing sa ibang-ibang mga burner accounts. Pero the same text. Pati spelling, pati lahat the same. So talagang it was unleashed. Parang troll.
Hindi naman ito related sa issue ng Ateneo.
Oo nga. Kaya nga, para bang ano. Oh, sige. That's why Ateneo is being attacked left and right, di ba? Hindi lang si Coach Tab, pati the institution itself.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah, yeah.
nagiging politika pa eh.